For TWT drivers only, make sure you're using the new barcode labeled scanning sheet for your trips. Fill in all the details as you normally would, and all of the accompanying paperwork should be behind it. You'll use the new scanner, which looks like this, a Kodak. Put in your trip sheet first, accompanying documents behind it, face down. On the display, hit the Load Documents button. And now, all of your documents scanned will be displayed. You can click through each one of them to view them. You can enlarge them or reduce the size. Once you're sure they're all there and readable, hit the Complete button. Done.